Hands Laser Precision Cutting Applications in System in Package SIP Demonstration. 1. Smartwatch SIP Laser Cutting or Marking. Equipped with green or UV nanosecond laser. The equipment is capable of performing slotting half cuts, full cuts, and QR code marking in the System in Package SIP process for smartwatches, smart earphones, and mobile phone batteries. Processing effect. 2. Battery Flex Circuit SIP Laser Cutting. System in Package SIP technology involves integrating multiple functional dies, such as processors, memory chips, and others, into a single package based on application scenarios and the number of substrate layers, realizing a fundamentally complete functional packaging solution. Hands Laser's SIP cutting and marking equipment is equipped with an automated loading and unloading structure, and is equipped with CCD visual positioning and displacement sensors, which can simultaneously capture multiple cutting position contour data and achieve height measurement before processing, comprehensively improving product processing accuracy and product yield, thereby improving production efficiency and product quality.